Would you like to get an MS in accounting? My name is Josh Neal. I'm the faculty director here at the University of Colorado Leeds School of Business for the MS Accounting and MS Taxation programs. I'd like to take you through a little bit about our programs today, including our curriculum, some program details, application timelines, and a few other things. The only prerequisite classes that we require for this program are Intermediate Accounting 1, Intermediate Accounting 2, Cost Accounting, and Individual Taxation. However, if you have professional experience that you feel warrants an exception to these prerequisites, please reach out to us. So the MS Accounting program is a 10-course program with 6 required courses and 4 electives. We start students in this program summer, fall, or spring, so you can join us whenever it makes sense for you. Most students in this program are able to secure an internship during their timeline with us so that they're not only completing the program, but they're getting that professional experience and then ultimately a job. I'll talk more about career later, but we have an extremely high placement rate of virtually 100% year in and year out. As far as the curriculum goes, there's 6 required courses and 4 electives. The 6 required courses are more aimed at shoring up the CPA eligibility and preparation requirements to ensure that you do well on the exam. For the 4 electives, you have a menu of options to choose from. You can see among those options, there's actually a course called Business Analytics where you can get an Alteryx certification. A few years ago, we had a student win the National Grand Prix Alteryx competition. We've also got some traditional electives such as Accounting Information Systems and more specialized ones such as Oil and Gas Accounting or ESG in Accounting. You're in total control of your electives, and we do often see students packaging together 3 or 4 electives to effectively create an area of expertise. And while these are the courses that we're offering as of May 2025, we are always in talks with the firms and working professionals and the employees of our students to figure out where the industry is changing, where things are headed to, and how we can stay one step ahead in terms of our curriculum. For example, we're currently completely overhauling our Accounting 6350 course in response to feedback from employers of our students to make sure that it's got plenty of unstructured problem solving using large data sets, which is something that the firms are saying is an increasing requirement in the wake of AI tools and their usage. It is a fact that many of the students that join our programs do so with CPA in mind. And I'm here to assure you, we've got the courses to prepare you, and our students do very well on the exam. In terms of what it takes to be eligible, it actually depends on the state that you're going to go to after you graduate. But rest assured, we have access to all the coursework that you might need to get from wherever you are currently to having that CPA eligibility. In terms of applying for this program, we start students fall, spring, and summer. If you'd like to start in the spring, please apply by October 15th, or if you're an international student, October 1st. If you want to start in the fall, please apply by March 15th, or if you're an international student, please apply by March 1st. And if you do want to start in the summer, you can abide by that March 15th deadline or March 1st if you're international, but the earlier the better. All right, so you've got the degree, you're ready for the CPA, then what? Well, here at Leeds, we have an incredibly robust employer engagement team, and they've put together relationships with amazing employers all over the country. Here are some examples of the employers that we work with year in and year out, as well as the types of roles that our students place into. Some students received undergraduate degrees in accounting and then come to us for their graduate experience, while other students are completely changing the profession that they're in or the career that they're after, and getting an MS in accounting is a step to do that. Still, other students might have gotten an undergraduate in business and they've discovered a passion for accounting and a desire to place in that space. Whatever your background is, we've got the courses to take you to the next step. And finally, the GMAT is optional in this program. So if you're interested in the Masters of Accounting, please reach out to us. We'd love to connect.